Hello everyone, it's 12:01. I've done all the morning routine things already, which include getting ready for the day, eating breakfast. The gym was actually part of this morning, which 9 times out of 10 it's not, so I'm very proud of myself. I only did 20 minutes on the Stairmaster. I have not gone in so long, and I never go. This experience was good because I didn't feel like passing out. Now I am just going to clean a little bit in the apartment and also prep and pack for a weekend trip, which I'm really excited for. I also did some shopping yesterday and I'm really excited about the pieces that I got. I think it's very me and it deviates a little bit from what I normally wear, but I think that's the exciting thing about fashion. For now, I'm just gonna make my to-do list and then we'll get started. Okay, are you ready? First thing are these Levi's Relax Fit 550 jeans. It's only the length that's the problem because it's a 32.
So how are you gonna fix that?
If I wanted to fold it, it would have to be like 3 chunky folds. Okay, next one is another pair. It's kind of this brown olive color.
Yeah, maganda.
Look at this pretty top.
And then it's sturdy.
And the colors too. This combo. Okay, next. It's like a light t-shirt material, kind of like a sando. Like it feels like that, but not really. I do think someone bought this and cropped it themselves. In the Philippines, I can imagine not wanting to wear the tightest of clothes. And this is kind of loose. Look!
Oh my gosh! I like the cuts. Very flowy.
So pretty.
Nagbabakasyon sa France, mga Italy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay everyone, it is now time to pack. I have my iced coffee with me. It is already 4:30. I just need to finish this because it is the last thing on my to-do list. First and foremost, I am an overpacker, but there are a few things that I try and follow to limit. So the first thing that I would try and follow is packing at least 24 hours before. The second thing I will do no matter what is to lay all of my clothes out on the bed. That way I can see every single thing, which leads into my third and final rule, and that is to try on the outfits. With that being said, let's put some pieces together.